Pillar 1, ceramic front line animal removal. Now I want to show you a bad design. So let me show you this bad design. Trap here, trap here. Here's the bad design. That wood is painted. There's some paint there on the wood. Originally when this house was built, this could all be seen. That's why it was painted. Here's where the bad design comes in. At some point, someone wanted to side the house. So we have aluminum siding, we have aluminum soffit. So they went in and boxed all this in. Here's where the bad design element comes in. There's no fascia board. You can see my hand wiggling around. Right here. The only thing that's here is this thin piece of metal. The raccoons somehow figured out that they could peel this back and then drop in. Then over time, they knocked out this down here. Now, to secure the soffit across here, they just use this little furring strip, which isn't very strong. The proper way to do this is you trim back the edge of the rafters, put a fascia board up, then mount your soffit to the fascia board, and anchor it over here. That will raccoon-proof it. Because the whole house is put together not in the best of way, it's very difficult to keep the critters out of this house for good. Bad design. Thank you.